Crash course on American national parks and their natural beauty and significance. The United States is home to some of the most beautiful and diverse landscapes in the world, and many of these areas have been designated as national parks. These parks are protected areas that are set aside for their natural beauty, scientific value, and recreational opportunities. Here is a crash course on American national parks and their significance. History of national parks in the U.S. The idea of setting aside natural areas for preservation and public enjoyment dates back to the mid-19th century, when conservationists like John Muir and George Catlin began advocating for the protection of America's wild places. In 1872, President Ulysses S. Grant signed a bill that established Yellowstone National Park as the first national park in the world. Over the years, more national parks were established, and today there are 63 national parks in the U.S. These parks are managed by the National Park Service, which was created in 1916 to oversee and protect the parks for future generations. Natural beauty of American national parks. The national parks of the U.S. are renowned for their natural beauty and diversity. From towering mountain ranges to sprawling deserts, and from ancient forests to pristine coastlines, these parks showcase some of the most stunning landscapes on the planet. One of the most famous national parks in the U.S. is Grand Canyon National Park, located in Arizona. The Grand Canyon is a massive chasm in the earth, carved out over millions of years by the Colorado River. Visitors to the park can hike, raft, or simply gaze in wonder at the majestic beauty of the canyon. Another iconic park is Yellowstone National Park, located primarily in Wyoming. Yellowstone is home to geysers, hot springs, and other geothermal features, as well as a wide variety of wildlife, including bears, wolves, and bison. Other notable national parks include Yosemite National Park in California, which is famous for its towering granite cliffs and cascading waterfalls, Acadia National Park in Maine, which boasts rugged coastlines and stunning fall foliage, and Zion National Park in Utah, which features towering red rock formations and deep canyons. Significance of American national parks. The national parks of the U.S. are more than just beautiful landscapes, they also have significant scientific, cultural, and historical value. Many national parks are home to unique ecosystems and species that are found nowhere else on Earth, and scientists use these parks to study everything from geology to wildlife biology. National parks also have cultural and historical significance. Many parks preserve important cultural and historical sites, such as Civil War battlefields or ancient Native American ruins. These sites help us to understand and appreciate the rich history of our country. Perhaps most importantly, national parks provide an opportunity for people to connect with nature and find respite from the hustle and bustle of modern life. For many people, a visit to a national park is a transformative experience that instills a sense of wonder and awe at the natural world. Interesting stories about American national parks. There are many fascinating stories and legends associated with America's national parks. One of the most famous is the story of John Muir, the father of the national park system. Muir was a passionate advocate for the preservation of America's wild places, and his tireless efforts helped to establish Yosemite National Park and other parks. Another interesting story is that of the Phantom of the Grand Canyon. Legend has it that a man named Francois Mathies, who worked for the U.S. Geological Survey in the early 20th century, became lost in the Grand Canyon and was never seen again. Some hikers have reported seeing a ghostly figure wandering the canyon, believed to be the spirit of Mathies. Finally, there is the story of Glacier National Park in Montana. The park is home to some of the most stunning natural beauty in the world, including rugged peaks and sparkling lakes. However, scientists have warned that the park's iconic glaciers are rapidly disappearing due to climate change. In fact, it is estimated that all of the park's glaciers could be gone within the next few decades. This serves as a stark reminder of the importance of preserving our natural landscapes for future generations. Here are top 12 American national parks in terms of popularity. 1. Yellowstone National Park. Yellowstone is one of the most popular national parks in the United States. It is home to the famous Old Faithful Geyser and has many other geothermal features. Visitors can also see wildlife such as bison, elk, and grizzly bears. 2. Grand Canyon National Park. The Grand Canyon is a must-see destination for many visitors to the United States. This awe-inspiring natural wonder is 277 miles long and up to 18 miles wide, with breathtaking views from every angle. 3. Yosemite National Park. Yosemite is known for its stunning granite cliffs, waterfalls, and giant sequoia trees. Visitors can hike the famous Half Dome Trail, explore the valley floor, or climb El Capitan. 4. Zion National Park. Zion is located in southern Utah and is known for its towering red rock formations and canyons. Visitors can hike the popular Angel's Landing Trail, go canyoneering, or take a scenic drive through the park. 5. Rocky Mountain National Park. Rocky Mountain National Park is located in Colorado and features stunning mountain vistas, alpine lakes, and wildlife such as elk and bighorn sheep. Visitors can hike to the summit of Longs Peak or drive the famous Trail Ridge Road. 6. Acadia National Park. Acadia is located on the coast of Maine and is known for its rocky shores, hiking trails, and fall foliage. Visitors can drive the Park Loop Road, hike to the summit of Cadillac Mountain, or go whale watching. 7. Grand Teton National Park. Grand Teton is located in Wyoming and is known for its majestic mountains, lakes, and wildlife such as moose and grizzly bears. Visitors can hike the Teton Crest Trail, go fishing in the Snake River, or take a scenic drive through the park. 8. Glacier National Park. Glacier is located in Montana and is known for its pristine lakes, glaciers, and wildlife such as mountain goats and bighorn sheep. Visitors can hike the famous Going to the Sun Road, take a boat tour on Lake McDonald, or go wildlife viewing. 9. Bryce Canyon National Park. Bryce Canyon is located in southern Utah and is known for its unique hoodoo rock formations. Visitors can hike the popular Queen's Garden Trail, stargaze at night, or take a scenic drive through the park. 10. Arches National Park. Arches is located in eastern Utah and is known for its numerous natural arches and rock formations. Visitors can hike to the famous Delicate Arch, go rock climbing, or take a scenic drive through the park. 11. Olympic National Park. Olympic is located in Washington and features diverse ecosystems including rainforests, mountains, and coastal beaches. Visitors can hike to the summit of Mount Olympus, go whale watching, or relax on the beach. 12. Canyonlands National Park. Canyonlands is located in southeastern Utah and features stunning canyons, mesas, and arches. Visitors can hike to the famous Mesa Arch, go mountain biking, or take a scenic drive through the park. Conclusion. American national parks are a treasure trove of natural beauty, scientific value, cultural significance, and historical importance. From the soaring cliffs of Yosemite to the colorful hoodoos of Bryce Canyon, each park offers a unique and unforgettable experience. As we continue to face challenges like climate change and biodiversity loss, these parks serve as a reminder of the importance of protecting and preserving our natural world. Here is a poem on American national parks and their natural beauty and significance. Amidst the rugged landscapes and the wild, lie treasures untold, yet to be beheld, where nature's true grandeur and majesty unfold. The American national parks, we're here to behold. From the snow-capped mountains to the ocean's shore, the parks stand tall with pride and more. From the canyons to the waterfalls, a glimpse of heaven's beauty, here enthralls. The Grand Canyon, so deep and vast, reveals the power of nature unsurpassed. Yosemite's towering cliffs and sequoias so grand take us on a journey across the promised land. Yellowstone's geysers and bubbling mudpots showcase the Earth's amazing boiling pots. Zion's soaring red rocks and canyons deep make us ponder about the secrets they keep. Rocky Mountains' vistas and alpine meadows paint a picture that nature bestows. The Acadia coast with its rocky shores brings a sense of peace that nature restores. Grand Teton's jagged peaks and glacial lakes make us feel like we've reached a place that's beyond human touch, yet ours to embrace. The natural wonders, God's own grace. Glaciers' pristine lakes and rugged terrains tell stories that we'll forever retain. Bryce Canyon's hoodoos and fairy chimneys are nature's sculptures that make us dream. Arches' delicate arch and rock formations are symbols of the Earth's creations. Olympic's rainforests and coastal beaches are treasures untold that nature preaches. Canyonlands' canyons and mesas so wide make us feel so small, yet free inside. These parks of America, we must protect, for they hold the key to our future, to respect. Their natural beauty and significance so vast will forever be etched in our hearts to last. May we continue to cherish, protect and preserve these American national parks that we all deserve. *****. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences America has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to North America, please ensure to use our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. AnHub Metaverse Team.